Hello traders, today in this particular video we are going to be diving into a powerful momentum tool that can help you spot breakout moves before they happen. Okay, and well, the indicator we're going to be looking at is the TTM Squeeze Indicator. All right, the TTM Squeeze Indicator is what we are going to be looking at. Now, if you've ever struggled to time your entries or felt like you are always late to the trade, this strategy is going to change the way you trade. Okay, the TTM Squeeze Indicator helps traders identify periods of low volatility right before explosive market moves. In this video, I'm just going to be breaking down how the TTM squeeze works, how to set it up on your chart, the best trading strategy to use it with, or rather to use with it, common mistakes traders make, and how to avoid them. Okay, before we get started, hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful trading strategies. Okay, let us get into it. Now, the TTM Squeeze Indicator is designed to help traders spot breakout moments before they happen. It is based on the idea that after periods of low volatility, a major price move is likely to follow. So here's how it works. The squeeze dots, you can see the squeeze dots right here, right, changing color from blue, from red to green, and to red and to green again. So when the dots turn red, right, when the dots turn red, the market is in a squeeze, meaning that volatility is low and the breakout is likely coming. Now when the dots turn green, the squeeze is off, meaning the breakout has started. Okay, then we also have the momentum histograms. You can see the bars, they show strength of momentum. The blue bars indicate increasing momentum, right, while the purple bars indicate weakening momentum. Now this makes the TTM squeeze one of the best indicators for catching breakouts at the perfect moment. Okay, now that you understand how the TTM squeeze works, let us go step by step on how to set it up on your trading platform. The first thing you have to do is to open your trading platform, and then you go to the indicators section and you just search for the TTM squeeze, all right, and add it to your chart. Then you can adjust the settings if you wish. The default settings work well, right, but you can tweak them based on your trading style. Okay, can track the settings based on your trading style. Make sure you can see both the squeeze dots and the momentum histogram clearly. So once you have it set up, you are ready to use it in your day trading strategy. Now let us go over the best day trading strategy using the TTM squeeze indicator. The first step is to identify a squeeze. Okay, look for red dots on the TTM, the TTM squeeze indicator. Okay, this signals that the market is in a low volatility phase. So this means a big move is likely coming, but we don't know which direction yet. The second step is to wait for the squeeze to fire. When the dots turn green, the squeeze has released and the price is likely to break out. Okay, so you look at the momentum histogram. If the bars are rising, it's a bullish move, but if they are falling, it's a bearish move. Then the third step is to confirm the breakout. Use support and resistance levels to confirm the breakout. For example, we can see that we had a breakout in the downward direction, right? We can see that right after this, you can see when the squeeze dots turned green, we had these blue histogram bars we are just very short histogram bars, but the significant histogram bars were the purple, and that showed that there was a bearish breakout. Okay, so you can see that this support level showed us that the breakout happened, and we got the direction confirmed. Now you can also combine with moving averages or RSI for additional confirmation. Okay, then the final step is to enter the trade. As soon as the squeeze releases and the momentum confirms the move, you can go ahead to enter your trade and place a stop loss above the recent resistance for a sell trade. But if it is a buy trade, you can place a stop loss below a recent support. Now, a pro tip for you: the higher the time frame, the more reliable the squeeze. Okay, a 5-minute squeeze might be quick, but a 1 hour squeeze can lead to stronger, more sustained moves. Okay, now, even though the TTM squeeze is a powerful tool, traders often make these mistakes. Yeah, so one of the mistakes include entering too early. Just because the dots are red does not mean a breakout is happening yet. So wait for confirmation before entering. It is very important. The second mistake is ignoring the momentum bars. A squeeze release is not enough. You need to check the momentum direction to confirm the move. Okay? The third mistake is trading in a choppy market. Now, the TTM squeeze works best in trending markets. Okay? If price is moving sideways, the breakout might not be strong. All right, you can see that in this scenario we had a bullish trend. You can see that price was making higher highs and higher lows before suddenly we had a break of structure, and then you can see that the price now started making lower highs and lower lows afterwards. So both cases we had trending markets. It was initially a bullish trend, and then it broke out and it now started forming a bearish trend. Okay, so focus on trending markets. Okay, now, the first mistake is not using a stop loss. Even strong squeezes can fail. So always protect your trade with a stop loss in case the breakout reverses. All right, it's very important. And that is it. Now you know how to use the TTM Squeeze Indicator to spot high probability breakouts in your day trading. This is one of the best tools for catching explosive moves before they happen. So what do you think? Have you used the TTM Squeeze Indicator in your trading? Drop a comment below and let us discuss. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another strategy breakdown. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.